Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are at Point Defiance Zoo and we're about to go see the lights, so come along. So yeah, this is the zoo lights. Let me see. Let me take it on. Hello. And this is it. And there it is, you guys. And you know this. It's so pretty out here. I know you can't see me. Let me turn on my light. All right, so we're about to walk through here and see what it's like. So come on. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty.
We cannot go on.
This would be, I like this right here because you got the green lights. You got your, you can do a selfies with yours. Oh, that'd be so pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Look at the bridge. This is cool. That was Point Defiance Zoo Lights. It was really nice, really pretty. It was $14 for the weekdays, and I think it's $18 on the weekends if you're ever in Tacoma, Washington. It was really pretty. We got done in about 40 minutes, so it was really, really nice. So if you liked the video, share with a friend, share with the family members, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And we are heading back to Florida in the morning. It's been a great trip to Seattle and Tacoma. So I am exhausted. So I will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.